So hey guys, I'm back with another new video, and today in this tutorial I will show you something new. From the past few years, we were thinking that how if we will connect our mobile data as well as our Wi-Fi. So it was impossible, but nowadays we can connect that, and by connecting them both, we can develop our speed. So just go to Play Store and download an app named as Speedify, and how it works I will show you.
Life is fast, and you need fast internet to keep up. We count on the internet for nearly everything we do, which is why a slow or unreliable connection feels like a total nightmare. Throughout our day, we routinely juggle mobile devices, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, 3G, and 4G cards. But have you ever dreamed of combining them into one super fast connection? Right now, for the first time, you can using Speedify. Normally, when you go online, no matter how many connections you've got, you're stuck downloading and uploading information over just one. But with Speedify, your files are intelligently distributed across all available connections, making them faster and more reliable. Sluggish Wi-Fi while traveling? Forget that! Next time, try combining your 4G card with a Wi-Fi hotspot. Boom! Are your video calls too unpredictable? Whoa! Not with Speedify, you'll forget they aren't in the room. HD streaming movies can't keep up with you? They can now, because a 90-minute movie shouldn't take 190 minutes to watch. So yes, life is fast, but with Speedify, so are you. What are you waiting for? Get started right now at speedify.com.
After downloading that, just first install it. After it gets downloaded, just open it. Click on continue. Allow some of the permissions and click on continue. Just turn on the Speedify icon, and now I will turn on my Wi-Fi. It will detect my Wi-Fi as well as my mobile data. It will merge them together. That's all, you are done. Now your Wi-Fi as well as your mobile data have been connected together. I will show you the same how to do with the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi on your computer PC. So move to the computer screen.
On your computer screen, just open the website given in the description and choose your OS for which you want to download it. I will choose Windows. After it's downloaded, open it. After that, it's installed. I will open it. Click on continue. Click agree and continue. Click on connect to start. I will turn on my Ethernet. It has identified my Ethernet. I will just click on connect to start. Click on the Speedify icon. You will have to first sign in or have to sign up. After sign in or sign up, you will be just connected, or without signing or sign up, just come back, you will also be connected. I have not signed up, I will just come back. Then close this ad. See, now I am connected. So like that, you can connect your mobile data or your Wi-Fi to the mobile simultaneously, and also Ethernet and your router together on your computer. So thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel, VS Tech.